I'm Antonio Stark, a global expert in space strategy and policy, with a career spanning satellites, defense, and lunar systems. I was born and raised in South Korea, and since then, I've lived in 10 countries across Asia, Europe, and the Americas. I'm currently based in Tokyo, Japan, working to advance the space ecosystem towards the moon and deep space. My passion for space goes back as far as I can remember. As a student, I volunteered with several NGOs to better understand the sector and its potential. Since then, I've supported multiple government agencies in adopting international norms and implementing sustainable practices in space, which are issues I remain deeply committed to. In recent years, I've contributed to satellite companies focused on imaging the Earth or assets in orbit. I've been fortunate to work alongside incredible teams building one of the world's largest commercial satellite constellations, as well as pushing the frontiers of space domain awareness. I thrive on working across disciplines and diving into new adventures, and I hope that one day to venture into space myself as an astronaut. I've already gone on an expedition to the Arctic Circle, trekked across the Himalayas, and conducted projects in the Peruvian Amazon, as well as completing multiple underwater analog astronaut missions. I believe that space has a place for everyone, and I hope that SpaceVrse will allow more people to learn, connect, and be inspired by all things space. See you in the SpaceVrse.